Hello, Yasha here. This episode looks at the water element of the four element meditational practices. The four elemental practices are one of the most foundation practices to do in any spiritual journey. When you think about the water meditation, what you want to imagine is right above your head, there's like a reservoir of water. And there's a very small spigot on the bottom of this. And you want to turn the spigot just enough so a drop of water will come from the spigot, enter the top of your head, move through the inside of your body, and through your throat, down through your body, and up through your bottom. And then you want the drop to fall a long way into a pool of water. Often the water is black, but you'll see that the drop of water will hit this pool and rings will expand out from that drop. Once those rings dissipate, then you go up and you have another drop of water drip into the top of your head, right in the middle of your head. As it goes through your body, it picks up all sorts of uh, corruption and confusion and doubts and superstitions, opinions, beliefs, everything. It just picks the water, just absorbs all of this, takes it out through the bottom, and let it fall for as long as it takes till it gets to this reservoir on the bottom. Let it drip into that reservoir, let the ripples expand out until the water is smooth again. Again, let the water, keep letting the water drip one drop at a time until you feel that you can absorb more water. Then what you do is you increase the dripping until it's a flow of water, until you have like a small stream of water flowing through your body, down through your bottom, onto this reservoir. And as a stream of water enters a reservoir, it just gets accumulated into the reservoir and disappears. The idea here is to allow this water to increase, the volume of the water to increase until you have a river flowing through your body. And then the whole ocean of water is passing through, basically avalanching through your whole body and all the way to your fingernails and your tips of your ears and the ends of your toes, cleaning out every molecule in your body until all of the oceans of the entire planet has washed through your body. Once this is done and you run out of water, basically you have to wait until the pond on the bottom smooths out until it's calm. The idea here is when this water is calm at the bottom, you want to kind of penetrate this blackness of this lower reservoir. And in the blackness resides the mysteries. And the mysteries can be described like this. For example, in procreation, it happens in the dark. You can't tell when this happens, no one sees it, but if it's not done in the darkness, simply transition doesn't take place. Imagine a seed of a tree. If it's in the sunlight, it doesn't do anything, it just stays there. If you have to plant it in the earth, you have to cover it up, have a little bit of water for it to go through this mystical transition. The mysteries here are located in the darkness, in the pond, underneath your water reservoir, and doesn't change, but it's blackness. And the courage here is, how can you face blackness with confidence and integrity? That is the water visualization, and the objective of the water visualization is to find the mysteries, the water that is included in water, and how it is so important in your life, not only as in a physical sense, but in a meditational sense as well. This ends the visualization of water of the four elements meditational practices. If you're interested in helping out, yogis have to eat as well, you can join Patreon, hit the like button, and subscribe to this channel. Sarvam Rangan. Thank you.